We are pleased to show you the 2016 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, cloth seat trim, compass, low tire pressure warning. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.